Alright guys, so let's try completing this Rubik's Cube. So what do we need to get this running? Number one, we need to have 9 faces on the bottom, and then 6 faces going all the way around like this. The other thing that we need is to have one blue middle one that matches with this, and one red that matches with this, and a nice white cross on the top. Now, does it matter what color cross it is? No. It could be a yellow cross, it could be a white cross, it could be a green cross, it doesn't really matter, so long as we have 6 and 6 with that middle one on at least 2 of these sides here. And what we're going to do is we're going to face this one behind us, and this one to our right side, like this. Now, moving on from here, all we have to do is run this little algorithm that's going to help us make sure that all of our middle cubes here on the top layer match up. Because right now, they're not matching up here on the orange or the green. Alright, so let's do what I just said, which is let's have that right one on our right side over here. And what we're going to do is going to do right up, left, right down, left, right up, left, left, and down. Now, when I turn this way, theoretically, this should match up in the middle, this should match up in the middle, this should match up in the middle, and this should match up in the middle. Now that we're here, what we need to find is one of these corners that has the exact setup that we want. And that is, if we look at the red, white, and blue, which is my favorite, so red middle, blue middle, and white middle. This cube here has all the same colors, although it is not in the correct orientation. Now let's check this one here to see if that one's correct. This one is not. This one does not look like it is, and this one does not look like it is. So we will only work with the red, white, and blue, which is this one, which is the correct one. And what we'll do is we'll face it here and make sure that it is in the top right corner here of this 6-faced setup. So it needs to be right there. Once we have it there, we'll run this other algorithm, which hopefully will help us make all of these corners be in the right spot on each side of the cube, although they won't be, it won't be finished. They will just be in the right spot with the right orientation for the final moves. So let's do that. We'll do a top left, a right up. We'll do a top right and a left up. Then we'll do a top left, a right down, then we'll do a top right and a left down. And basically what we just did was just reverse what we did before anyway. Now, if we are correct, we still have, you see the red, white, and blue middles, middle, 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 and that is correct. And then we'll check over here, we'll do a white, orange, blue, and that was not correct because that didn't work. And we'll look at this one. This one is not correct. This one is not correct. So the algorithm did not really work, and we may have to do it one more time. So let's try that. We'll do top left, right up. Top right, left up. Top left, right down. So we reversed it. Top right and down. And hopefully this time, that's looking good. This is now looking good. This is now looking good. And this is now looking good. So, if this is all correct, we can use the very last algorithm to finish this. And all that's going to do is rotate these corners into the position so that we can finish the cube. And so let's do that. It's just right down and left, and then up and left. Let's do that again. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this corner is correct, so all we need to do is turn this face so that we can fix the next one. Do the same thing all over again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now we have 2 more faces to do. Corners to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't give up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn that last face to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully this will work out well on VR, and I will see you soon in the next disaster.